Hello friends, welcome back. So guys, today we're going to learn exit flow step with value $loop. So let's start the demo. Very first I'm creating one package. So click on the particular server, new, then click on package, give the name as a exit demo pkg, then copy this name, click on finish, already exist. So exit package 1. Now I can see here this particular package got created. Now again right click new, click on folder and give this particular name to folder. Okay, now we are going to create one like service folder. Click on folder, give the name as a service, finish. Now we required one document folder, new folder, doc, then finish. So here I think we created one candidate document. So come here and paste it here, this particular document. Okay. Now I'm creating one flow service. So click on the service folder, click on new and select here the flow service option. Give the name as a exit demo, exit loop demo. Okay. So we can recognize this particular demonstration. Exit loop demo, then click on finish. Now empty flow water created. So here we required a input. So in input take one candidate. This is a document having one list candidate. Okay, so give the name here as a candidate only, otherwise give the name as a candidate info, candidate candidate details. Okay, and here take one string and give the name as a value, and then go to data. Here we required a loop. Okay, so click on loop, go to input output. If it is a loop flow step, then but obviously we require a document list to loop over this particular element. So Control C, go to tree tab, click on loop. Here we have input array and output array. Slash Control V. So this particular candidate document list we can specify in input array. Okay. Now the next step would be we can take one map step. Okay, to performing the mapping. Here you can delete this one. Click on loop and here you can mention the comment as a looping over the candidate. Okay, then take one map step here. Okay, move right. Okay, then click on this particular map step and here we performing the mapping. Okay, so maximize the candidate and here we not able to see this like value. Okay, so do one thing, go to input and here like save the demo and then check. So now it will showing this particular value. Then maximize the candidate details and here see blood group map to value and then save. So now our main task, we are performing exit step with value a dollar loop. Okay, so go to flow step and drag and drop this exit flow step. Okay, move right. So once you click on the exit step, here we need to mention the exit from value as a dollar loop. Okay, so earlier when you specifies the dollar parent, Here we have a failure name, failure instance, failure message. These are the properties. But if you specifies the exit from dollar loop, then here we have a comments label signal. Signal, it means it could be a success, it could be a failure, and exit from dollar loop and failure message. So in case of a failure, we can mention the failure message as well. Okay. So first step we discussing the exit dollar loop with the help of signal success message. Okay. So here we specify as exit dollar loop success. So comment you can mention perform exit step. Okay. Yeah, you can edit a comment. Exit from dollar loop. Exiting value from dollar loop. Okay, now it's fine. After that, take one debug log. Right click, insert, and here first check if you use this particular log before, then it will automatically showing here. So click on that particular log, move right, and here you can mention the message as a loop execution. Okay, then function as a function and label as a info, and then click on OK. After that, save this particular demo. So here exit loop means like exit value dollar loop means if you specify exit as a dollar loop, then once like it will exit from the particular nearest parent loop step, and it will not execute the below step. Okay. And if you mention the exit as a success, then that particular execution happen. If you mention this signal property as a failure here, then it will directly like it will throws an exception, and in success it will execute without an exception. Okay, so let's see, like first run this service, run as a flow service. Here you can give the name. First click on candidate so that you can update the list. Here you can mention the name as a Arya. ID would be a 101. Address would be a MH, and blood group will be a AB plus. Okay, then click on OK. So here you can see the value AB plus, like it will checking the iteration, like one iteration we already mentioned, only one iteration. So once it will like loop over this particular candidate details, after that map it will map all the step, but it will not execute the below step. Like it will directly execute, like it will directly exit from your parent step. Okay. So same goes to like we'll check in integration server as well any log got mentioned or not. Okay, any got log to the particular integration server or not. So let me log in first. So in server we checking the logs, click on server. Here guys it will not execute any kind of a log. Now next step we will check this exit dollar loop with signal message failure. Okay, so this is a exit dollar loop and signal failure. Again here we can specify the failure message as a loop execution failed. Okay, so if you mention the exit property as a dollar loop, like value dollar loop, then it will not execute anything, it will directly throws an exception. So which kind of exception? Whatever message you mention here, it will execute that particular exception. Okay, so let me show you. Just run the service, run as a flow service, run flow service, and then click on OK. So here you can see, guys, this loop execution failed. And if I go to my integration server and I'll check any log got logged or not, here you can see, here we don't see any kind of a logs. Okay, so that's all about today's demonstration. I hope you enjoy and like this session. So guys, if you like and enjoy this session, so please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll come up with a new session very soon. Stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much. Have a great day.